Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw and color a lotus. Now let's draw together. This is lotus. Kids, this is lotus. Well done kids. Now write the word lotus. L E T T U C E. Lotus. Well done kids. Our lotus drawing is ready. Now let's start coloring. Lotus is green. This is light green color. Kids, this is light green color. This is light green color. L is for lotus. Lotus is light green. Lotus is a light, refreshing vegetable that offers many healthy benefits, especially when eaten in salads or sandwiches. Well done, kids! Your lotus drawing looks so beautiful and colorful. Now let's color the word lotus. This is red color. Kids, this is red color. L E T T U C lotus. Well done, kids. Our drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time.